Core Plus is a 2-year manufacturing program that the Boeing company invested in for our high school students. And the first year is really about manufacturing basics, and the second year is focused on aerospace skills.
What I love about Core Plus is a lot of my students just take great pride in what they make and the craftsmanship that goes into it.
Core Plus has given me the opportunity to get hands-on, working next to an airplane, working on the facility, equipment service, which is really great. Fix something and say, hey, I did that, and that's now in an airplane.
This program gives those kids those skills necessary to go into work into a vast industry. Kids are really being trained a way to think with knowledge, but also a hands-on skill, so that they really come out of my program as a senior able to work and have a good work ethic and get a good paying job.
One of the nice things about opening up your career in manufacturing is you get to see a lot of how things are built. So it's pretty cool to be a part of that manufacturing world.
The nice thing about Core Plus classes is that students can earn credit depending on what's being offered in that class.
This Core Plus internship, all these experiences will make me a more well-rounded engineer and more valuable.
These Core Plus programs really teach not only the technical skills, but that team building skill, that communication, all of those things that you're going to need as you move into a career.